is Roman Longoria.
Ian Garcia.
My name is Ed Moser.
There's Grayson Aldrich.
Kate Brockman.
Jared Vieira.
This presentation is going to go over our business plan for our project.
Today in our presentation, we'll be going over our outline, which includes introduction, management, operations, product, market analysis, sales strategy, financial analysis, and the economic social impact. Our company is known as Fire Utility Manufacturer of Equipment, for short, stands for FUME. We're located in Corpus Christi, Texas. We're a team of multiple experts. We're developing and manufacturing and distributing advanced self-contained breathing apparatuses and obtaining significant shares of market within the first 3 years.
Of our project, we have a team of 6 professional engineers, 4 being mechanical engineers and 2 being industrial engineers. Each engineer in the project has their own respective department and their own sections at which they work on. So everybody shares the workload for our project and has their own respective place to be. Outside of the 4 mechanical engineers and 2 industrial engineers, we have multiple technicians, R&D specialists, and administrative staff that we can consult and help us complete this project. Other resources that we have for our project are going to be attorneys and CPAs, insurance professionals, and bankers. These are going to help us ensure that we have the proper patents filed, we have the proper patents referenced, we're within budget for our project, and so on.
Here we have our operations, which is designed to ensure efficient production and high quality output for our solution. So our operations will be housed in a 15,000 square foot facility. It's designed to support all aspects of our business, which includes production lines, manufacturing, testing, and to ensure that there's enough storage to manage inventory effectively. Beyond that, beyond production and testing and storage, we also plan to have areas for research and development, sales, marketing, and for staff and quality assurance to make sure that all of our product is to high standards. Our suppliers include 3M, Honeywell, and also the local company to ensure high quality materials. And we also would like to collaborate with local companies to strengthen our supply chain. So this operational setup ensures that we can deliver a high quality production, reliable production, and maintain efficiency for the future.
So why our business matters? The SCBA is the filtration system and protection for firefighters. And while a majority of deaths are due to overexertion, as seen by the graph, over 25% of deaths are due to intense heat and chemical inhalation. The SCBA is the only way they can do their job effectively for long periods of time. The stressful situation includes excessive noise, the heavy protective gear, and the intense time pressure. Our product is expected to reduce both death and performance time using a widescreen projected thermal image.
So our product is going to be peripheral systems for a firefighter SCBA. We're planning to integrate these systems into the 3M Scott AV3000. You can see here in our picture, we have a dichloric filter and display system, and that display system is being powered by some delayed batteries and is the computer in charge of projecting the image is done by a Raspberry Pi. And then we also have some bone connection earbuds on the outside to help with the communications.
The safety equipment industry, particularly firefighting solutions, experienced significant growth driven by technological advancements. Products like SCBA systems with integrated thermal imaging and wireless communication are currently in the growth phase with the demand fueled by need for enhanced safety features. While competition in the safety equipment industry is intense because of the established companies like 3M and Honeywell, smaller companies can carve out niches by offering specialized innovative solutions, meaning that FUME, our company, can position itself as a leader in the firefighting solutions market. Firefighters, including the Annabelle Fire Department, generally have limited budgets. A universally deployable system makes it more accessible. In the United States alone, there are over 29,000 fire stations, all of which can benefit from reliable and affordable practical equipment. Beyond firefighting, the cost-effective design may appeal to other industries with enhanced communication like construction in the oil field, and the color filtering component could attract scuba diving. As seen from this image, the thermal imaging market has gone from $6.2 billion in 2021 to projected $8.7 billion in 2026. This shows an increase of 29% over 5 years. And the improved SCBA eliminates the need for separate devices, reducing weight and complexity, therefore ensuring faster and more effective emergency response times.
We'll be utilizing a bundle of our thermal system, communication system, and a Scott 3M AV3000 SABA mask. We believe that this bundle will be able to provide enhanced SABA performance to our consumers. We have also taken into consideration that many of our consumers are already in possession of SABA masks. Our strategy is to use a razor blade method, which consists of our bundle, which acts as our razor blade, which is typically purchased only once, and our blades, which is our thermal system, communication system, and SABA mask that is purchased quite frequently. We believe that this strategy will provide consumers with the option of purchasing our bundle or select our individual systems to add their own masks based off of their necessity. This strategy is further supported by a survey conducted by Firehouse and Endeavor Research in 2020, where they determined that firefighters typically spend in the range of $5,000 to $15,000 on thermal imagers, with communication equipment being replaced from 5 to 7 years, and SABA equipment only being replaced when upgrades are needed or is damaged. So we believe that having the option to select our individual products will be able to provide the services needed for our consumers.
The financial analysis, you'll see here on the chart on the right hand, we have our loans, investments, and grants. Investments come from our private market, or public market, sorry. And our government grants come from the government, as seen in other companies like 3M and MSA. Our loans come from any loans that we need to shore up any additional costs we may have. And here is another graph that shows our revenue versus our profit for 1 year.
So what are the main economic, social, and social impacts for the business plan? So we want to contribute to the workforce by creating 50, possibly 50 new positions, and in turn reducing unemployment. And we also hope to provide this unemployment rate to local businesses to help stimulate local businesses by an increased demand for the safety tech department. And by locally, I'm referring to the Coastal Bend or New Nueces County. And even for our partnerships, we hope to collaborate locally, such as Texas A&M Corpus Christi with our project's budget, and the Annabelle Fire Department for our testing grounds and supplying us with a prototype to work with.
In our economic and social impact, we have our economic impacts, which include creating 50 plus new jobs in manufacturing, R&D, admin, sales, amongst other things. It also will boost local manufacturing and safety tech sectors, as well as collaborations with regional suppliers such as Texas A&M Corpus Christi and the Annabelle Fire Department. It also increased demand for high quality components, packaging, and logistics, as well as potential to bring in grants, federal safety investments into the Coastal Bend area. Our social impacts will include things such as reduces fatality, injury rates through better visibility and communication for firefighters, faster response time, better team coordination in dangerous scenarios for the firefighters, as well as safer fire departments, mean for more protected neighborhoods and infrastructures, increased demand for firefighter tech training, upskilling opportunities, as well as affordable tech options for rural areas and volunteer firefighters.
So to conclude our presentation, a couple of the things that we've been over for our project is market overview, sales strategy, financial analysis, why our business matters, why our product matters, a sort of financial analysis for our product, our economic social impact for our product, and our management of operations for the product. We really do hope that you guys choose to invest with us, as it means